Welcome to a discussion of primarily supersonic design features. Features that should not be used on a model because a model isn't supersonic. Some questions have really simple answers, and this is one of those cases. It's just a question of suitability to operating conditions and the scale of operation. I found these images, and this seems to represent the bow wave at some nominal speed below sonic. This would appear to be close to sonic. In any case, it's the bow wave that is the main issue when flying fast. The bow wave, well, the reason an aircraft, a high-speed aircraft, is pointy at the nose is partly because of the bow wave, of having to anticipate it happening and to be prepared for it. As this shows, the entire airframe is enveloped in the bow wave at different levels of energy or turbulence, whatever feels most correct. So the development of the stabilator was a forehead slapping maneuver, just a way to make the primarily to make the elevator function when the conditions were highly turbulent. This bow wave is I believe it can be considered well, we'll just pretend that the bow wave equals turbulence. So the entire airframe and all the lifting surfaces and the control surfaces are being undermined. Their function is being undermined by that persistent condition that the airframe is always surrounded by slightly turbulent air. This is just some obvious statements to drive home the points I've been talking about. So many people just blindly copy things, think it's the A1 best way to do it, but it's not. If they've copied from a full-size design, odds are it's not. So, we can all hope for models that fly well and have all their I's dotted and T's crossed. Just a final thought that people, hobbyists should, especially newer hobbyists, should understand that any model is small. Any model that's not a full-size aircraft is small, and that it needs to be thought of in those terms. And as I've mentioned before, Reynolds number is the thing that shows it most explicitly. The Reynolds number of a small model is maybe in the range of, or of a meter-sized model is in the range of maybe 80,000. For a typical Piper Cub, it might be 2 million. I mean, it's just, things are just way different. So, there you have it. Thanks.